Limit, fit, and tolerance. A large number of parts of exactly the same dimension cannot be produced commercially. The actual dimension is always a little larger or smaller than the desired ones. The desired dimension of the component is called the nominal dimension, and the amount of deviation of the actual dimension from the nominal dimension is called the tolerance. The extreme permissible dimensions of a part are called limits. Manufacturing tolerance is essential to facilitate the interchangeability of parts that enable proper functioning. Limit system. A limit system consists of a series of tolerances arranged to suit the specific range of size in order to enable specific classes of fit between the mating components. The following are the two bases of limit system. First, basic hole system. In this system, the design size of the hole is the basic size, from which allowance is subtracted to obtain the diameter of the shaft. This system is preferred because standard tooling like drills, reamers, broaches, plug gauges, whose size is not adjustable, and the shaft can then easily be machined to fit. Second, basic shaft system. In this system, the design system of the shaft is the basic size, to which allowance is added to obtain the diameter of the hole. Fit system. The degree of tightness or looseness between the mating members is known as the fit of the members. It depends on the actual value of the individual tolerances of the mating components. The fits can be broadly classified into three categories. Clearance fit. It has a positive allowance. There is minimum positive clearance between the high limit of the shaft and the low limit of the hole. It can be loose or running fit. Interference fit. The interference fit is achieved by keeping the lower limit of the shaft greater than the upper limit of the hole. Transition fit. This fit is one having limits of size so precise that the assembly of the mating parts can result in either a clearance fit or an interference fit. This is achieved by keeping the upper limit of the shaft larger than the lower limit of the hole, and the lower limit of the shaft smaller than the upper limit of the hole. Tolerance system. The tolerance on the dimensions can be specified in three ways. Unilateral tolerance system. In this system, the tolerance is provided in only one direction from the basic size. For example, 35.00 plus 0.2 plus 0.5. Bilateral tolerance system. For example, 35.00 plus 0.2 minus 0.5. Limit dimension system. In this system, the size and the deviation of the part are specified by only maximum and minimum dimension. For example, 35.2 to 35.5 mm.